Welcome to Ledger Shift AI. If you're in finance, just hearing a month-end close triggers a very specific feeling: pressure, urgency, and long nights racing against the clock. It's that high-stakes, all-hands-on-deck marathon. Endless reports, complex reconciliations, and relentless pressure to get everything exactly right. But what if that entire exhausting process could be completely reinvented from the ground up and transformed into something faster, smarter, and far less stressful? Today, we're looking at how Microsoft Copilot is tearing down the old grind to build a strategic engine. We'll start with the universal pain of the classic month end close and how it keeps finance leaders up at night. Then, we'll move up the finance ladder, seeing how this technology changes the workflow for the staff accountant. From there, we'll move into the controller's new command center and ultimately the CFO's strategic vision for the business. We'll wrap it all up by exploring the continuous accounting future, where the close becomes a real time, continuous process that never stops. Why does the close still feel so hard? It's not a lack of talent or preparation from your team, it's the outdated systems and processes holding them back. The real culprit is the manual effort of stitching data from systems that were never meant to talk to one another. You barely get one close put to bed before you know it, you're already diving into prep for the next one. There's no time to breathe, step back, and interpret the deeper story the numbers are actually trying to tell you. The biggest delays don't come from complex rules. They come from simple coordination breakdowns and fragmented, siloed data. Your team is trapped in a repetitive loop of manually pulling data and constantly fixing broken, inconsistent formats. This manual work is slow, risky, and error prone, and studies show error rates can be 3 to 5 times higher than automated processes. Let's see how this transformation works by starting on the front lines in the tactical world of the staff accountant. For a staff accountant, the day often begins with the soul crushing task of manual data hygiene, cleaning up messy, inconsistent, and fragmented data. This meant spending hours fixing messy exports and hoping the entire reporting model doesn't break under the pressure. Copilot transforms this process by standardizing messy spreadsheets in minutes, ensuring clean, consistent, and reliable transactional hygiene. It's not about replacing judgment. It's about supercharging human expertise to focus on deeper insight and meaning. Think about those data dumps from sales and payroll. They almost never speak the same language or follow a consistent structure. You deal with inconsistent names and weird spacing, and the old solution was endless, manual, cell by cell cleanup. Copilot analyzes data across different tables, intelligently recognizing that invoice number and ID represent the same field. It uses contextual understanding, not just text matching, marking a massive leap forward in reconciliation setup and efficiency. But here's the real game changer. Copilot generates clear, plain English summaries of exceptions, enabling faster and more confident decisions. It doesn't just flag a problem, it clearly explains why the data doesn't match and what's causing the discrepancy. This transforms reconciliation from a needle in a haystack hunt into a precise, focused, and efficient review process. Now, the accountant can zero in on the one exception instead of manually checking 300 perfectly correct lines. You can automate bank reconciliations, even when a single payment is applied across a dozen different invoices with complex allocations. It continuously learns from historical patterns, intelligently suggesting journal entries and dramatically reducing repetitive errors. By proactively flagging unusual transactions early, it stops small issues from snowballing into major, costly problems. Now let's move up to the controller, where the role evolves from tactical execution to strategic, high-level financial oversight. They need a single source of truth to gain real-time, unified visibility into close progress across every global team. This is the Financial Period Close Workspace, a centralized command center delivering real-time visibility, control, and total transparency. Instead of chasing people through endless email threads, the process becomes structured with clearly defined roles, ownership, and accountability. You can map dependencies so tasks execute in the right order, with real-time dashboards instantly flagging delays and bottlenecks. Those endless, where are we at questions are eliminated, freeing up the controller to focus on higher value work. Once the books are closed, the next challenge begins: the dreaded variance analysis that demands immediate attention. Explaining the story behind the numbers used to require long, painful deep dives into complex and often overwhelming pivot tables. It's slow, tedious, and it tends to delay delivering timely, critical insights to the leadership team. With Copilot, the controller sets clear rules, like show me any variance over 10%, and lets the system do the rest. Copilot identifies the key drivers and generates a clear narrative explanation, the first draft of your financial story. It clearly explains why sales declined and 10 points exactly where unexpected expenses, like rent, originated. This can transform hours of manual digging into just minutes of focused, high level strategic review. The controller becomes a strategic overseer of a process that is structured, controlled, and fully transparent. Finally, we reach the top of the finance organization, the chief financial officer, where financial insight drives strategic direction. The CFO can't just look backward. They must leverage the close to proactively steer the future direction of the business. When the board asks a what if question, they need an immediate data driven answer, not something delivered next week. In the past, this triggered a multi day fire drill, with analysts scrambling to build and validate complex models under pressure. Now, by asking simple and plain questions, the CFO gets real time, data driven forecasts directly within their daily workflow. It doesn't just generate numbers, it translates them into clear, actionable insights on bottom line impact. This transforms finance from a reactive cost center into a proactive, insight driven strategic partner that drives business performance. For the staff accountant, automation means precision and accuracy. For the controller, it drives stronger cash flow and control. For the chief financial officer, natural language enables faster, data driven, and more strategic decision making across the company. Every role drives measurable results, shifting the focus from internal efficiency to tangible, enterprise wide business value. The checklist for the chief financial officer is now strategic, modeling budgets and summarizing trends for the board. It seamlessly bridges the gap between historical performance and forward looking forecasts. This creates a forward looking finance function that is continuously updated and always ready to support real time strategic decisions. When you combine tactical automation, structured oversight, and intelligent analysis, you fundamentally reimagine the entire close process. This is the ultimate endgame, what we call continuous accounting, a real time, always on model for modern finance. Instead of a month end scramble, checks and reconciliations happen continuously in near real time throughout the entire period. The official close transforms from a monumental effort into a simple, streamlined final validation process. The paradigm shifts from closing the books to maintaining them in a continuously closed, real time state. It's no longer a hurdle because it becomes a simple, confident confirmation of what you already know. So the question for every finance leader is, what strategic value will you unlock with all that newly freed time? What high impact strategic questions can your team finally prioritize, ask, and answer with real insight and confidence? Join us every week as we drop new videos. Like and subscribe to Mudge Shift AI. Thank you for watching.